P0063 means the PCM has detected that the voltage in the heater control circuit for the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 2 is too low. This heater helps the sensor warm up quickly so it can accurately measure oxygen levels right after startup. This code is often triggered by a short to ground in the wiring, a failed heater inside the O2 sensor, or a poor connection in the sensor plug. In rare cases, the PCM may be the source of the issue, but it's usually best to rule out wiring and the sensor first. Common symptoms include the check engine light and decreased fuel efficiency, especially when the engine is cold. The car may take longer to go into closed-loop mode, potentially causing rich conditions or hesitation during warm-up. To diagnose this code, measure the resistance across the heater circuit with a multimeter. Look for shorts, damaged wires, or corroded connectors. If resistance is out of spec or the heater circuit is open, replacing the sensor will usually fix the problem.